Well, going up to the standing stones involves another hill climb, so it'll be a few more minutes before I make it up to the top of that mound. Found the standing stones here, which are right over here, and I'm going to quickly go across this here just to get a view of these other things. And I'll try to get a photo of it later here. Thank you, thank you.
Just there's nothing else out there. Because it's got this, the big
We're going to get a closer look at the stones here. There's a lot of other people here, so we're just going to do a little walk through here. And we're not really sure. There's another busload of people here, so come up closer to the stones. We'll touch one, see if we get transported into another time and space here. But I think I have to have that medallion to do that, like in Outlander. And here's what looks like the center section, where we got some here. Everybody's trying to get a good shot. And there's a thing in the bottom down there too. There's one big stone there. Looks like a stone from 2001, A Space Odyssey. Perhaps. It's June 9th, 2019. I'm up here by the standing stones. I'll put the actual name down at the bottom. But I hope you can see the standing stones in back of me here. And I have some other videos of it. But there they are. As I walk over here, you'll see the center section, which is right down over my shoulder here. And there's quite a few stones. There's a number of stones going down this way, a whole bunch going down that way and over there. But this is the main section here where the circular thing is. I wish I could transport to another time through one of the stones, but I don't think I'll be able to do it here. So here they are, right in back of me here. Hope you can see it then. Okay. Slightly different angle of the stones coming from this side over here. And there's still some people coming around here. As we get up closer here, you can see them to the main stone right here. Now there's a little bit less people here. Got a few more bikers coming down. Here's the main stone here. As you come down on this side here, got the inside here. And we still got the big stone up top there, coming out on this side here. There's more stones as you're going inside here. As we're coming down, into them. Everyone getting their last photos in of the stones here. So I'm going to move out here pretty soon. Hope I got some good shots. I don't really know, because a lot of times I couldn't see the back of the camera. And there were lots of other people there too. And it's uneven ground, so I have to watch my step here as I'm walking so I don't fall. But we're leaving the stones behind now, because as we go up here, going back to the hotel next, and here's the stones. Here we go. Some a little alignment this way. See bands and other stuff. And here. More stones here. Coming up on this side here. And gonna work our way back down to the entrance. It looks like there's some rocks, a cave over there. I think they have tea now at the bus, so kid is interested in a nice cup of hot tea here. One last look as we come back here. There's a little rock right here in front of me. And there it is, saying goodbye to the stones. Waving bye-bye, bye-bye stones. See you all later. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Okay, going back down the trail, back down to the bus here, and get a cup of hot tea down here before we head back to the hotel. Nice countryside here, as you can see. Nice fields, the stones are up there in back of me, as you can see back in the distance. There's Jonathan, our group leader, taking some pictures of some sheep down there. And here we have another little placard. And see what this guy says. I'll let you guys read it. And you can see what it says up there. And they talk about some animals and some other things here. And there's a map here also, so you can see. Okay.